Benefits of AI tools. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, live, and interact with our environment. Its applications in various industries are endless, and it is constantly evolving to become more effective and efficient. AI is being used to create new job opportunities, improve productivity, and enhance our overall quality of life. In this video, we will discuss about the benefits of the AI tools, especially for video editors. Before we start the video, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next uploaded videos. Let's start. While many fear that AI will replace human workers, it is also creating new job opportunities. AI can perform repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. The development and maintenance of AI systems require skilled professionals, leading to job growth in the tech industry. AI can also significantly improve productivity. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions, leading to more informed decision-making. AI can automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more critical tasks, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. AI has the potential to enhance our overall quality of life. AI-powered virtual assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, make it easier for us to perform daily tasks such as scheduling appointments, ordering groceries, and controlling our homes. AI can also help us better understand the world around us, such as identifying plants and animals or translating languages in real time. However, as AI continues to evolve and become more integrated into our daily lives, we must also consider the ethical implications. There are concerns around data privacy, transparency, and bias in AI decision-making. It is crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and transparently, with the well-being of society at the forefront. AI benefits for video editors. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we edit videos, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. Now we are going to explore how AI is changing the video editing landscape. Video editing is a time-consuming and labor-intensive process that involves multiple steps, including organizing footage, selecting the best clips, adding transitions, sound effects, and color grading. Traditionally, video editors perform these tasks manually, which can be tedious and time-consuming. However, with the advent of AI, video editing has become more streamlined and efficient. AI-powered video editing tools use machine learning algorithms to automate various aspects of video editing. These tools can identify the best shots, remove unwanted footage, add transitions, and apply color grading automatically. This can significantly reduce the time and effort required to edit videos, making the process more efficient and cost-effective. AI-powered video analysis is another tool that can be used in video editing. These tools use computer vision algorithms to analyze video footage and identify key features such as faces, objects, and actions. This can be useful in identifying relevant footage and creating highlight reels. For example, sports highlights can be automatically generated based on specific actions such as goals or touchdowns. AI-powered voice recognition is another tool that can be used in video editing. These tools can transcribe speech into text, making it easier to search for specific keywords or phrases. This can be useful in creating closed captions or subtitles for videos, making them more accessible to a wider audience. AI-powered video compression is another tool that is revolutionizing video editing. These tools use machine learning algorithms to compress video files without sacrificing quality. This can significantly reduce the size of video files, making them easier to share and store. This is particularly useful for streaming video content, where bandwidth and storage space are limited. While AI-powered video editing tools offer significant benefits, there are also ethical considerations to consider. These tools can be used to create deepfakes or alter video content, raising concerns around misinformation and propaganda. It is crucial to ensure that AI-powered video editing tools are used ethically and transparently, with the well-being of society at the forefront. Popular AI tools. There are many popular AI tools that are being used across various industries to improve efficiency, productivity, and decision-making. Here are some of the most popular AI tools. 1. Natural language processing. NLP is a branch of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. It is used in applications such as chatbots, voice assistants, and sentiment analysis. 2. Image recognition. Image recognition is the process of identifying and classifying objects within images. This technology is used in applications such as self-driving cars, facial recognition, and medical image analysis. 3. Robotics. Robotics is the branch of AI that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. This technology is used in applications such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. 4. Speech recognition. Speech recognition is the process of converting spoken words into text. This technology is used in applications such as virtual assistants, dictation software, and language translation. 5. Chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered computer programs that can simulate conversation with human users. They are used in applications such as customer service, sales, and marketing. These are just a few of the most popular AI tools that are being used today. As AI continues to evolve and become more advanced, we can expect to see even more innovative tools and applications in the near future. Why we use AI tools? Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a powerful force in today's digital age, and its applications are vast and diverse. AI tools are essential for modern businesses and individuals looking to stay competitive and efficient in their respective fields. Here are some reasons why we need to use AI tools. Improved efficiency. AI tools can automate mundane and repetitive tasks, freeing up time and resources for more complex and valuable activities. This leads to improved efficiency and productivity, allowing businesses and individuals to accomplish more in less time. Increased accuracy. AI tools can perform tasks with a high degree of accuracy and consistency, reducing errors and mistakes. This is especially important in fields such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, where even small errors can have significant consequences. Cost savings. AI tools can reduce costs by automating tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. This can lead to significant savings in labor costs and increased efficiency in operations. AI tools are essential for businesses and individuals looking to stay competitive and efficient in today's digital age. They provide many benefits, including improved efficiency, better decision-making, enhanced customer experience, increased accuracy, cost savings, competitive advantage, and innovation. As AI continues to evolve and become more advanced, we can expect to see even more benefits and innovative applications in the near future. Conclusion: AI is transforming every aspect of our lives, from the way we work to the way we live. While there are potential risks, the benefits of AI are vast and can lead to significant advancements in various industries. It is important to continue to monitor and develop AI in a responsible and ethical manner, ensuring that it benefits society as a whole. I hope you like our video. If yes, so please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next uploaded videos. See you in the next video.